Hello viewers, I hope you all are having some good time. Thank you for watching the videos and please don't forget to subscribe. Share the videos with your friends and family if you like. It's almost holiday season and everyone is getting ready to buy gifts for their friends and family. In this video, I will show you some stores that you can buy holiday gifts. Look at the store from outside. It's so colorful with lights and gifts item. You can also find house decor and showpieces. Most of these items are handmade and these are from Turkey. Because of being handmade, the items are expensive. I'm passing Sephora but I won't be able to go in as I am holding coffee. For COVID, they do not allow customers with foods and drinks. Most of the stores did holiday decorations as you can see. This is one of my favorite stores. Their decorations are always like that. It's not for holiday only. I bought some tops from here. They have wide variety of colors and designs for tops. It looks like this store sells dresses exclusively. This is another store that is very popular to the girls. In this store, you will find almost everything that a little girl might like. They also do free ear piercing if you buy earrings from them. I bought some hair bands for Yana from here. See how beautiful bags they are. Everything is very attractive in here. I always like this store as their prices are very reasonable as well. Here you can see variety of stuffs, makeups, bags. From here I bought some clothes for Yana. Now I am at the Macy's. This is the perfume section. They have gift boxes with some free stuffs. Different brands have their own offer and free gifts. I was so bored today. That's why I told my husband, please drop me in the mall. And now I am making video for you guys. Perfumes are always my favorite. That's why I'm looking for something new that I can buy. In this store, you will find some gifts item for home decor. They also have exclusive clothing. I did my lunch with one of my friends. See how cute the showpiece is. There are some cute clips and beautiful wine glasses. From here, I did kinda window shopping. Those are very beautiful donut bath bombs. It looks so cute and unique as well. This is my another favorite store, Bath and Body Work. It has all these beautiful candles and candles holder. I like their body mist and body lotion as well. They have candles, soap, cream, bath bomb and so many things. I think you won't be able to go out of this store without buying anything. So now it's time to go. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you want video of something. Mall is almost empty as well because it's almost 8. Have fun and stay safe. Bye bye.